Today's video is a bit different. Here I have a rescue tank. I rescued the fish and the tank. The person who brought this to me was kind. She just didn't have the time to keep fish anymore, so I took it off her hands, as obviously I'm into the hobby and I'm well into the hobby. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform all of this tank. The fish that I rescued are two really beautiful goldfish. I'll put a picture on the screen. And we're going to do a before and after on this tank, and I'm just going to clean it all out. Sorry that the camera angle is a bit scuffed, so I'm like bending down to talk to you. This stand that they're on, I know my door's crooked, but I built this yesterday because I knew these fish were coming, and I knew I wanted to extend this out this way. This is like a storage cabinet I've built for all the fish food and everything. All my fish in here are now all looking very healthy. They didn't need the treatment, but I gave it to them anyway. But they're all looking okay. So I'm thinking we'll double check all of these fish, every one of them. If they're all okay, we put the new goldfish in the big tank, and then we get this cleaned out, and then we put them back in their home for a bit, just to let them get comfortable in this type of environment that they are changing into. But it comes with this light. Obviously that would sit on top of the tank. We've got a little feeder, big light. I'm going to try and plug this in while I'm here, show you guys how bright or not bright it is, because I haven't checked, because I am exhausted. I've not long got back from work, and of course, me being me, this is the first thing on my mind, is to get these fish nice and set up. Oh, that's a really good light. Wow. Okay, they're going to look really cool in this. I bet I could even put that over my... Oh, I can put it over my big tank, and it has like the same response. It's not as good. The big filter for that has come, so I don't know whether I'm doing that in this video, but pretty soon the big filter will be in. I'm just okay. Now you're down there. That's better anyway for me. It's not. I'm joking. The light's messing up everything. I need to fix it. So clearly I'm bad at this. I am gonna start cleaning our tank here. I'm gonna show you the first process, and then I'm just gonna let it happen, and then I'll separate the clip so that you see me start and then the end of it, because you're not gonna want to see me get all of this grime out and everything, like step by step, boiling everything. So I'll show you bits of what I'm doing, and hopefully that'll be enough for you guys to see how I'm going to take this from this into whatever it becomes. But yeah, so I'll start recording. The first thing I'm going to need is a trusty bucket. I've blocked the light from that fish tank putting on up there. It's not got much light going through, and the water's getting a bit cloudy, but all the fish are happy. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a bucket, and I'm going to want to move anything, plant, brick wise. Oh god, there's still water in that. More plants. Even more plants. And more plants. And now the little magnetic cleaner. I'll take all that out, and now I need to take the gravel out. You can see what colour the gravel is meant to be compared to what colour the gravel is, so I'm taking all of that out now. We'll use this. this is how we're going to take the gravel out. We're just going to skip it up, leaving the water in there, and just scoop all the gravel out of it. Okay, so we took all of the gravel out apart from the little bits. It's now in here. All of our plants and everything are in here. And up in this other bucket here, we have everything we're going to need for setting them up and getting them ready for their new permanent home. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to empty the water out of this and then start the cleaning process. Now I will suggest, if you're ever doing this, one of these is your best friend. These are the best thing ever. Ever. Okay, I'm hiding it, but you've seen most of the process that went into this. Obviously we skipped a fair lot, but this is our new little fish tank. Obviously we've got the big fish tank with the better filter running, this little one with the better filter running. Honestly perfect. Look how happy they are. Alright, I just want to say thanks for watching. As you can tell, the fish are comfy, they're eating, which is brilliant sign straight away. The other fish are all getting a bit cozier now. Yeah, they're eating. They both seem very healthy and happy, and obviously, I mean, the before and after is just insane. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.